Which platform has over 4 billion monthly users and offer a direct, cost-effective, and personalized way to communicate with your customers? It's probably not what you're thinking. It's email marketing. In this video, you'll learn why you should run email and SMS marketing for your e-commerce store and what your store needs to have to make them more successful. Quick note, in this video, I will refer to email and SMS marketing interchangeably. The first reason to run email marketing is obviously the money. On average, our email marketing generates a 12x ROI for our clients. This means for every dollar they put in, they get 12 back. By segmenting your list, sending targeted promotions, and deploying powerful automation emails, you too can build a seriously profitable money-making machine for your store. Can you imagine what this would do for your store? Let me walk you through some examples. For this first store, we have set up and optimized email and SMS marketing flows and campaigns using the exact strategies you're going to learn in this course. Over a period of 7 months, we grew this Klaviyo account from nearly zero to $51,000 in sales per month, generating a total of $126,000 in revenue so far. So how did we actually do this? First, we set up and optimized their automation flows, including welcome sequences, cart abandonment reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups. We segmented subscribers based on purchasing behavior and preferences, sending tailored content to each group. We conducted regular testing of subject line, content, and sending time to optimize their emails for maximum profits. We also constantly ensured that their email campaigns were well-designed and professional, reinforcing their brand identity and building trust with their customers. By doing so, we enhanced the customer's perception of their business. This led to a huge amount of profits for the store, and we created a sales-generating machine from email and SMS marketing. Here's another store we scaled from scratch using the simple strategies from our videos, from $7,000 per month all the way up to $100,000 per month over a period of 4 months, generating nearly $300,000 in sales, all with very profitable ROES. What should you do if you had the same for your e-commerce store? And don't worry if you don't understand everything that I've just said, because you're going to learn how to get it all set up for your store in this free masterclass. So let's keep going. The next reason we love email and SMS marketing is data ownership. When you collect email addresses or phone numbers and build a subscriber list, you own that data. This contrasts with social media, where you lack control over the platform's policies or their management of your audience. Email marketing allows you to communicate directly with your customers, getting personal and building trust, especially in today's age with the rising cost of paid ads from sources like Facebook and Google. Relying on your own marketing channels becomes a huge advantage and can save you a significant amount of money each month. Plus, think about it. Even if you face a ban from Facebook or a suspension from Google, your email and SMS marketing campaigns can keep running without a problem. Another reason we love email marketing is the automation. Your Klaviyo account allows you to effortlessly set up many powerful automated sequences to remind and nurture your customers, which doesn't only save you time, but also ensures your customer receive messages that are both timely and relevant. We have a full section of automation emails waiting for you down below this video. With email marketing, you can segment your list based on criteria such as purchase history, behavior, demographic, and preferences. This allows you to send hyper-targeted message to specific groups of customers, keeping you top of mind, relevant, and ultimately boosting your store's conversion rate. By tailoring your content to meet your customers' wants and needs, you can keep existing customers coming back for more. All this makes email marketing one of the most effective tools for customer retention. Now, I can't promise you the results will be up every single month, but over time, with profit-driven optimizations, we can see a compounding effect. That's why we consider email marketing a more reliable way to grow your e-commerce store compared to other traffic sources. Sure, there might be occasional hiccups like lack of engagement or low deliverability, but it's generally consistent. Plus, one of the biggest perks, detailed analytics. You get to monitor open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and more. Such data arms you with the insights needed to refine your email marketing strategy to continuously make more profits for your store. Now that we've gone over the incredible benefits, let's look at a few key factors to ensure your email marketing success. Optimize and quality website. A strong website foundation is crucial. It should not only look professional, but also resonate with your customers and effectively highlight your product's value. This not only sets you apart from competitors, but also leads to improved conversion rates. Competitive value proposition. Ensure the perceived perceived value of your product is greater than its price, especially when compared to competitors. This involves aspects like product quality, features, trustworthiness, and price, customer lifetime value, and profit margin. Recognizing the long-term profitability of a customer is key. Those excelling in e-commerce often approach email marketing with an eye to the long game, targeting sustained customer engagement and repeat purchases. Consistent communication, having a regular communication schedule for your email campaigns, along with powerful automation, can keep your brand fresh in your customer's mind, reinforcing their trust in your brand over time. So there you have it, the vast potential and effectiveness of email and SMS marketing. You can get all of this in our free email and SMS masterclass. I'll put a link down in the description box. Go ahead and check it out right now. Watch our next videos here. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more Klaviyo tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.